Ready? Am I daddy? Okay, out.
Who am I?
Ocean eat.
Want something to eat?
Oh my gosh. How do you... Oh man.
What do you want to eat, honey? Would you like some yogurt? Want some yogurt?
Oh.
Hi.
Just like getting food does not mean you can change how I left things.
Are you licking my eye, Kiki? Are you licking my ear?
Just because she wants food does not mean we can change how she left things.
Did Kiki lick my
Okay,
ear?
but Mom, you have to take off the glasses because you're giving
Hi.
me a bad headache.
Hi, big guy.
That's your daddy, please.
Thank you.
Let's be Mommy.
Thank you,
Made
Mom.
Mommy dizzy.
God bless. Now we need to focus with